Hello everyone, this is JD from Benchmark, and today I'm going to show you how to rotate objects in MicroSurvey CAD. So I have here on the main viewport a bunch of squares that we can rotate. First, select Home on the main toolbar. Over here in Modify, click Rotate. Select the object to rotate and hit Enter. Next, find the point about which the object needs to rotate. So I want to rotate this square about the bottom left-hand corner. So I'll click it. Notice that the object now follows my cursor around while keeping that one corner fixed. I want to line it up with that green line here, so as soon as I do that, I'll click to finish. Now let's do the same thing, but about the center. Like last time, click Rotate, click the object, hit Enter, and click the rotation point, which this time will be the center. This time, I want to rotate exactly 45 degrees. I could use my cursor to try and line it up as best I could, but because I need it to be exact, it's better to use the command window. All I have to do is type 45, hit Enter, and that's it. Let's try that again. Again, click Rotate, click the object, hit Enter, and click the rotation point, which this time I want down here. So this time, instead of clicking to finish the rotation, I'm going to type -45 and hit Enter. Notice that the object rotated counterclockwise. To rotate the other direction, I'd have to type a positive number. Let's do it all again, but with multiple objects. Click Rotate, but this time, click as many objects as you want before hitting Enter. Click the rotation point, and now notice that both of these squares are rotating with my cursor. And that's about it. Please consider liking and subscribing, it really helps us out. And if you have any questions about this video or about any others on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit our website at bench-mark.ca.